Osaka, Japan's second biggest city, located in the Kansai region. This region is famous for its comedians and laid-back atmosphere. Supposedly, people are more relaxed and chill than in Tokyo, and yeah, there's only one way to find out. We're gonna head there and see for ourselves. Hey, welcome back to another Kokoro Compass video. I'm here with Michael, and we're gonna go to Osaka. Actually, the train just arrived now, so let's hop inside. So we arrived in Osaka, and look, there's a Nintendo store, and a Capcom store, and a Pokemon Center. I didn't know about that. I wanna go see. I wanna go see now. Alright, there's a huge line for the Nintendo store, so we'll make do with the Pokemon store. Look at all this cute little Pokemon stuff. Looks like a wheel. And look who else is here. Doraemon. I have to admit, I never saw a single episode of Doraemon, but he looks very cute. I like him. That was a nice little introduction with the Pokemon store, but we're here to see the city, so I'm gonna hop on my bike and bike to Namba Station, to Otombori. I think that's what it's called. Famous little river. Let's go. Well, it looks like the stories were true. This looks so different from Tokyo. I can't wait to explore this place. Wow, Osaka is nuts. There's stuff everywhere. There's a giant head here. Over here, there's some crab pincers. There's a hand here with sushi. Then over here, I can see a dragon. Osaka, it's crazy. So this is a Dotonbori River, and there's this famous sign. I always see everyone here standing like this. I guess I have to do the same thing. Osaka has so many of these markets. This is Kuromo Market, and it's 200 years old. There's a lot of seafood here. I think Osaka people really love seafood. Crab, octopus.
Every Japanese.
Not my cup of tea, but apparently every Japanese loves seafood. And we also saw these weird penguin robots, only in Japan. So we arrived in a street with a lot of geeky stuff. I think we're close to Denden Town, which is like Osaka's Akihabara. It's a lot of nerdy anime and game stuff. Nice. So Akihabara is really big and flashy with big billboards everywhere. But this is really cozy. It's just yeah, little shopping street. It's some dorky stores. Nice, it's cozy. This reminds me of Nakano. A lot of old robots and Gundams as well. Alright guys, something really caught my eye in this store. These games, look at this. Now that's nice. That's real nice. And after Denden Town, there is Tsutankaku. I think that's what it's called. It's kind of difficult for me to say. Tsutankaku. Osaka Tower. I'll just call it Osaka Tower. And it's magnificent. It looks like Splatoon. Looks like the Splatoon Tower. Actually, a lot of things here looks like Splatoon. I think Splatoon was kind of inspired by Osaka. And they even have Demon Slayer sushi. Ain't that cool? This is one side of Japan I really don't like. Animal rights is really a little bit underdeveloped here. This is so sad to see. We are directly under the Tsutankaku Tower. Very cool. And over here you can see what it looks like when there's no construction. Looks much better. But it's still really nice. Alright, now let's see what the food of Osaka tastes like. This looks like that Street Fighter character. Is he from Osaka? Yo, 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 yo. So I'm having an omu rice, a rice omelette. And Mariko has fried stuff, kushikatsu, I think it's called. I don't like this. I'm quite a picky eater, I know. But omu rice, classic Japanese meal. Look at these strange chairs, guys. The seat rest is so small. Looks like a child seat. Good, good. Simple but good. So my impression of Osaka, I actually really like it. I didn't know anything about it, but yeah, everything's colorful and happy, and there's statues, giant crabs. It's fun. It's just fun. There's so many things to see. I think I like it more than Kyoto. So in the future, I might stay here for a while, for maybe a month or something, or maybe even a few months. I want to see more of Osaka. And slowly but surely, evening is falling over Osaka. And I don't know what it is about evening in Japan, but it's just so cozy. And look, here they have a massive Don Quixote with a very strange Ferris wheel. It looks very futuristic, like a 70s futuristic, kind of cyberpunk. Really cool. We came back to Dotonbori at night, and yeah, it looks very nice at night with all the lights and stuff. So that's it for my first day in Osaka, and I have to say I really like it here. After being in Kyoto and the countryside, it's nice to be back in the big city. I like the big city, and it was refreshing to see something different from Tokyo. I've been to Tokyo 9 times, and to see something new, yeah, it was nice. I want to stay here for a longer time next time. But for now, I have to head home with the bike, and yeah, stick around. I'll film a little bit on the bike. You can see a little bit of Osaka. Or if you want to leave, you can leave. It's up to you. Anyways, thanks for watching, and I'll see you again in the next video. Bye bye. Now that's a good view. That's a really nice view.